Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys basically how to set up a Squarespace online store. Well, it's going to be really simple, so bear me in this one. With the birth of templates, this could only make it very possible for us to have an efficient way, a very quick way of creating a website. And right here on Squarespace, you could choose what you want to sell. What's your niche about? It's the exact website. Are you selling? You just choose it here, and no, don't press skip, by the way, because we want to go through these step by step, wholesome. Okay, so in here we have templates, designer templates. These are going to be the foundation of your basically work, okay, or your store. So build with AI or browse templates. So let's take a look at the templates. So here are the best rated templates, and you could build your store's website off of this. So let's say you chose this one right here. You're selling sort of like food, getting your Italian cooking journey. That's going to be the front page. Let's choose this one. I already have an account. It's just the Google. It's basically just email that they're going to be asking from you if you don't have Squarespace account. So no problem with that. Setting things up. Taking a little time to load here, but here we go. The templates, okay, here's my account here. The templates are basically pre-made, edited with models. If you get like actual people on your templates, those are paid models, and you don't have to basically be concerned about copyrights or person identity, whatever. Okay, so in here, what's your store's name, basically? So my e-commerce Square. Okay. What would you like to do first? Design your site, of course. Okay. Here's the classes, about, a bunch of things here, and these are video instructions, video exclusive recipes, and you're going to be editing all of this. So what's your site all about? You type it in here. So exploring your connection to food, you can basically edit all this up to, especially if you're selling something like of a specific type. Now this is the phone view and the desktop view. We're going to be editing both. On the phone view is what how it'll look like on basically the phone, especially if your customers are looking through your website to the phone. And in here, what we're editing right now is the laptop PC view, basically. So in here, this is their pre-made coloring our food connection to exploring our connection to food. Sorry, yeah, that's their pre-made header right there. We could design one of our own here. Like if for example we're selling something like burger or food, okay, I just basically just sort of like create a niche of our own. And this is the motto, so to say. Multicultural cuisine. Okay, food trip. Here we go. You can edit it out here, but you get the point, right? And in here is basically descriptions. And remember what I said earlier about two people? People on your templates, you don't have to worry about them. legal issues, because basically they're paid models for this. Yeah, that's just basically it. So you could put your own photos here by clicking on the photo, and again, let's just edit this out first. If, for example, you could just basically put whatever it is right here, and you could edit out all this pictures right here, and you could basically replace it with photos of your own. Okay, so you'll see what I'm talking about here. Here is the hovering button. We could basically click on it. That's what the customers will be clicking on if they want to enroll in your course or whatever it is. If it's a e-commerce website, if they're going to be availing something, then that's just basically it. Click here. I've changed it to click here because why not, right? It's our website to edit. Yeah, so in here again, you can just basically add the photos as well. And when you add these photos, you can basically custom design your own e-commerce store here, store website, right? Begin your Italian cooking journey right here. You can basically edit that as well. Again, the pictures totally changeable. Just right click and that's it. I'm just still editing out a couple of details here in the last part. Edit space. And yeah, you can put whatever text you want here. It's basically free to edit out everything of this. Look at the cuisine that I did. Meet your instructors. You can basically, if you have legitimate instructors, then you can basically put their pictures there as well. This is the phone view. So the phone view, this is what it's going to be looking like on a mobile phone if your customers are happening. In fact, fun fact, a lot of your customers are on their phones instead of going to cracking open a laptop and or a PC, turning on a PC just to get through this. Everybody's on their phone nowadays, so this, you could edit this out to your liking as well. So this is the phone view. Okay, click here to save everything, and yeah, that's just basically how easy and how simple it is. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.